In the heart of Jamaica's untamed wilderness, where the verdant mountains kissed the sky and the lush forests whispered secrets of rebellion, there lived a woman whose name would echo through the annals of history, Queen Nanny of the Maroons. Legend tells of a fearless leader, born of Ghanaian royalty and thrust into a life of bondage, who rose to become the symbol of hope and defiance for her people. From the moment she set foot on Jamaican soil, Nanny's indomitable spirit blazed like a beacon in the darkness, guiding her fellow Maroons towards freedom and liberation. With every step, she defied the chains of oppression, forging a path of resistance against the British colonial forces that sought to crush her people's spirit. Through the dense forests and treacherous mountain trails, Nanny led her warriors with unwavering determination, their hearts beating as one with the rhythm of their ancestral drums. But it was not just her skill in battle that set Queen Nanny apart. It was her unwavering commitment to her people's cause, her fierce determination to never surrender, and her boundless love for her homeland that made her a legend. As the sun sets on another day in Jamaica's storied history, the tales of Queen Nanny of the Maroons live on, a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome even the greatest of challenges. And as her story unfolds, listeners are drawn into a world of courage, resilience, and the enduring quest for freedom that continues to inspire generations to this day. Chapter 1. The Escape. Beneath the canopy of rustling palm fronds and twinkling stars, a young woman named Nanny plotted her daring escape from the suffocating grip of slavery. The air was heavy with the scent of sugarcane and sweat, the ground damp beneath her bare feet as she stole through the shadows of the plantation. Heart pounding with the rhythm of freedom, Nanny's senses were heightened, every rustle of leaves and snap of twigs a symphony of hope in the darkness. She moved with the grace of a predator, her breath coming in shallow gasps as she slipped past sleeping guards and silent sentries. But it was not just her physical prowess that guided her escape. It was her cunning, her quick wit, and her ability to outsmart her oppressors at every turn. And so, when she came face to face with a lone British soldier patrolling the perimeter, Nanny did not hesitate. With the skill of a seasoned hunter, she approached him silently from behind, her movements fluid and precise. And as he turned to face her, she met his gaze with a smile that hid the storm brewing within.
"Good evening, soldier,"
she purred, her voice honeyed with deception. The soldier, caught off guard by her sudden appearance, hesitated for a moment before responding.
"Good evening. What are you doing out here? Answer me now, or I will shoot you where you stand,"
he replied, his tone wary.
"I am bringing you drink, sir."
In that moment, Nanny saw her opportunity. With a swift and practiced motion, she slipped a vial of drugged powder from her pocket and sprinkled it into the soldier's canteen, her fingers deft and sure. And as he took a sip, his eyes grew heavy with sleep, his muscles relaxing with each passing moment. Seizing her chance, Nanny swiftly disarmed the soldier, relieving him of his musket and bayonet with a strength born of desperation. And as he clumped to the ground in a drug-induced stupor, she vanished into the night, her heart soaring with the thrill of freedom. From that moment on, Nanny's legend grew with each daring escape and each cunning maneuver. She became a symbol of hope and defiance for her people, a beacon of light in a world shrouded in darkness. And though her journey was fraught with danger and uncertainty, she faced it with a courage and determination that would inspire generations to come. If you are still here with me, thank you, and stay tuned for more episodes on Jamaica's warrior queen, Nanny. Until then, join the Build Nation project. One love, one heart, one people.